welcome to the Doggy Show, the Doggy Sister Show. I'm Bella. This is episode 1. I'm Bella. And this is my sister, Princess. She's hiding somewhere. But first, let me show you my bed. This is my bed. This is my purple one. My purple bed. I have my purple bed. And this, my sister's orange bed. And, yeah, shall we tour around the house? Well, downstairs, tour downstairs. The kitchen. Yeah, this is towards downstairs. So, yeah. Sorry it's so short. I just love people. Tee-hee. 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 I know how to smile.